Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Charger's thermostat. Before you begin, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You'll need a few basic tools: a wrench set, a screwdriver, a drain pan, and new coolant. Having these items ready will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you to complete. Now, let's get to draining the coolant. Place your drain pan beneath the radiator and open the drain valve to collect the old coolant. Once drained, you might need to remove a few components, like an air intake tube, to get clear access to the thermostat housing. Carefully disconnect the upper radiator hose from the housing, preparing for the next step. With access clear, it's time to replace the thermostat. Unbolt the housing, usually held by 2 or 3 bolts, and gently remove it. Take out the old thermostat and discard it. Before installing the new one, clean both the housing and the engine blocks mating surfaces to ensure a leak-free seal. Then, insert your new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly, and replace the gasket. Finally, let's get everything back together and test it. Reattach the thermostat housing, reconnect the radiator hose, and put back any components you removed. Refill your cooling system with the correct coolant mixture. Start the engine, let it warm up, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Keep a close eye on the temperature gauge and check for any leaks around the housing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.